Hello guys, so today I'm gonna install LED lights on a 2005 F350 power stroke diesel, and I got today this kind of LED lights. So easy to install. It have a fan at the rear to cool down those LED lights. So should be really quick and easy install. Okay, so it's a 6500 operating 50 hours plus, aluminum IP67, so it's waterproof, looks like to me. So what I got in the package, I got gloves for a really clean install. Okay, let's put it away. Manual, zip ties. I'm putting it in here so we'll not lose it anywhere, and I got LED lights right here. Every time I'm ordering there is something new about them. So let's put this one aside. So it have a 2 chips here and 2 chips on the other side, so just place to hold it to install it, and have a fan is on the rear. Okay, so this is so it would not blink or something, and the way of installation and plug. So this is only one-way plug, so you will not mess up here. Looks very nice. Fan is actually getting slimmer every time. Every year is getting slimmer, and it's pretty light. Usually fans are like this big, so this is a really small one. Looks pretty nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it. Get the headlight out and install this light. Test it at night test. I have a light bar coming up soon, so this thing will look nice. Front end swap, so the whole 9 yards, how I'd say. So let's put everything back in nice neat box and get a installation going on. So right after we open hood, so we need a 5.5 millimeter, because there is a really tiny bolts are everywhere. So just untie them all. So 2 pair headlight, 4 for a grill, just set them here. What I noticed on this truck that you don't really need to have a grill out, just primed it to the side, you know, on the top. There is also 2 actually bolts here and there, and with the extension just get them out. So one here and one there. Okay, so let it fall right here, and here's the other one. So with the grill kind of out, just wiggle the headlight out. Here you go, it's out. So it was catching up on the grill. So grill on the bottom is intact, but on top is loose. So same thing, just get the top plug out for the light. so it was easy one. Let's change the bulb. Let me get you a better angle, the best angle possible. Probably like so. Okay, so this is good angle. So same thing, just counterclockwise to get it out. Just pull it gently. Got stuck there. So it was on the light. And install the new light. So same thing, let's get our white gloves on. So this is gonna be H13 for the 2005 F350, F250. So here's the light. Just go ahead and gently push on it and turn it until you find that sweet home spot. So it's right here. And turn it until it clicks. Same thing, it's only one way. Here's our original plug. And just plug it in until it clicks. Or something like it. The plug is really old. Plastic tend to be harder. So it clicked and ready to install it. So they supposed to be inside light. They supposed to be vertical. So this thing turns. So just letting you guys know. Because on that one was perfect, and on this one it was kind of a sideways. I can't even. I was trying to find a good angle, but I can't find it. So inside light there, it needs to be vertical. Let's go ahead and test it. So it lights up. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. So we're good to go. So now we're ready to install it. So installation, same thing but the backwards. Installed by the grill first, kind of. So as I was saying, on that side, two bolt screws on top, two it's on the bottom. So top one's just install it like, but don't tie it like all the way. So just guide them. And there is a two, it's on the bottom. But I'll just do one is on the side here, and that's it. Because that one is really hard to reach. Plus this one have a small gap. Installing the grill back. There are four bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't over tight it because it will crack. So just snugly. Okay, and we're good to go, just like so. Let's get our stuff and let's test it again. Looks good, and I need to buff it one day, but overall already looks nice. Evening is coming up, and I'll show you guys what it came up to. I know it's gonna be nice, so let's go. Okay, so it's pretty dark.